Hi there, my name is Mugilan Ravindran, matrix number B0922104333 from 3BMKV S12. So today we are at the faculty and we are going to ask two students some questions on HVAC, specifically the importance of recovering and recycling refrigerants to prevent environmental damage. But beforehand, we have to teach the students a bit on HVAC, share our knowledge with them, give them some input, and then we're going to test them by asking them some questions. First, let's meet the tutors.
Hi, my name is Farisha Mirza binti Cik Mustafa. My metric number is B0922108284 and I'm from BMKV Session 1-2. Today I'm gonna teach some student about the vapor compression refrigerant system that we conclude a few topics like the main component and also the environmental impact of refrigerant emission and also the importance of recycling and recovering refrigerant.
Hi, my name is Bejurim Anakuyan from BMKV Section 1/2. My metric number is B0922100340. I will teach some of the students about a vapor compression refrigerant system. It will cover how refrigerant emission occur and importance of recovering and recycling refrigerant to the environment.
Assalamualaikum and greetings to everyone. So my name is Muhammad Afiq Haikal bin Muhammad Ghazali. My metric number is B0922102888. So today I will be the cameraman for our team and video editor also. So I remind once again, the title is Importance of Recovering and Recycling Refrigerant to Prevent Environmental Damage.
So right now we are here with the first student. Please introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, my name is Dev Kumaran son of Punniswaran. My matrix number is B132410374 and I'm from section 4, year 1.
Which course?
BMKU.
So previously, do you have any HVAC background?
No.
Okay. So just now we had someone from my group tutor you about HVAC, give you a bit of a explanation on how everything works. So I'm going to test you. I'm going to ask a few questions and hopefully you can answer well. So let's talk about household refrigerators. Basically a fridge. So can you tell us what type of system does a refrigerator use?
Vapor compression refrigeration system, which is VCR.
Okay. So, and what type of refrigerant does this system use?
It's R134A, which is tetrafluoroethane, which is a hydrofluorocarbon HFC refrigerant.
Okay, not bad. Can you tell us how the VCR system operates or vapor compression refrigeration system operates?
Okay, actually it has 4 mainly components, which is compressor, condenser, expansion valve and also evaporator.
Okay, can you explain about each components, please?
Yeah, sure. Okay, for now, for compressor, the function is it compresses low pressure refrigerant vapor to high pressure vapor. And then for second, which is condenser, it removes heat from the high pressure vapor, condensing it into a high pressure liquid. And then for our third, which is expansion valve, lowers the pressure of the refrigerant, turning it into a low pressure mixture of liquid and vapor. And then finally, its evaporator absorbs heat from the refrigerant compartment, causing the refrigerant to evaporate back into a low pressure vapor.
So right now we are here with our second student. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Intan Anisha Zika. I am a diploma student, diploma in mechanical engineering.
Do you have any HVAC background before this?
No, I don't have any.
Okay. So Intan, right now we are on the topic of importance of recovering and recycling refrigerants to prevent environmental damage. So the first question I'm going to ask you is how refrigerant emissions occur?
Refrigerant emissions can occur due to leaks in system joints, seals, or components during normal operation. Other than that is improper handling during maintenance or servicing, including venting refrigerants into the atmosphere. Other than that is also end-of-life disposal of refrigeration equipment without proper recovery procedures.
Okay, so now let's talk about environment a little bit. Deva, can you please talk about the environmental impacts of refrigerant emissions?
Okay, as for environmental impact of refrigerant emissions, for example, it's R134A and other HFC refrigerants have high global warming emissions. And then when it is released, they contribute significantly to climate change even though they do not harm the ozone layer, which is like chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs. And then finally, the improper release of the refrigerants worsens the greenhouse effect.
Okay, Intan, for your next question, can you give 3 importance of recovering and recycling refrigerants to the environment?
3 importance of recovering and recycling refrigerants. The first could be protecting the ozone layer and aids ozone layer recovery. Second is conserving natural resources, and third is compliance with environmental regulations. As for protecting the ozone layer and its ozone layer recovery, chlorofluorocarbon and hydrochlorofluorocarbon, or very known as CFC and HCFC, are base refrigerants that contain chlorine, which damages the Earth's ozone layer and increasing ultraviolet radiation exposure to Earth. Through proper recovery and recycling, further release of these substances will be prevented, aiding in the repair of the ozone layer. As for conserving natural resources, recycling refrigerants reduces the need to produce new refrigerants, conserving raw materials and energy used in manufacturing processes. It also promotes a circular economy in the cooling industry. Last is compliance with environmental regulations. Many international agreements, such as the Montreal Protocol and Kigali Amendment, regulate refrigerant management to phase out ozone depleting substances and reduce high GWP refrigerants. Recovery and recycling help countries meet these environmental goals.
That was very nice, Intan. Thank you very much. Before you go, I would like to ask, earlier we had one of my friends to help explain and teach you about HVAC. So how did you find the experience? How was their teaching and everything?
The teaching was very smooth, and I can understand every single thing that they told me. And I also hope that their explanation can help me during my degree level.
Alright, I could sense that the teaching was good because your explanation back to us was very good. Thank you very much. Okay, Deva, for your last question, can you give 3 importance of recovering and recycling refrigerants to the environment?
Yeah, can sure. Okay, there are 3 types, which is reducing global warming, and then preventing pollution, and then extending equipment lifespan. Okay, for the first one, many refrigerants like HFCs have global warming potential many times greater than the carbon dioxide, which is CO2. By recovering and recycling refrigerants, greenhouse gas emissions are reduced, lessening the impact on global warming. For the second, which is preventing pollution, uncontrolled release can lead to a contamination of air and soil, causing environmental and health hazards. In addition, proper containment prevents harmful chemical accumulation in the atmosphere. For the final one, which is extending equipment lifespan, recycling extends the life of older systems by ensuring compatible refrigerants are available, reducing the environmental cost of premature disposal.
Excellent from Deva. Thank you very much for your time. But before you go, I just want to ask one more thing. How was the teaching experience just now? How was your tutor?
Oh, it was good and excellent. I would like to thank to my seniors who ever taught me about this.